Hi everyone, today I am going to show you the Peugeot 308 and 208. The common problem, this car have the ABS pump problem. So if you can start the car, then you can see here, if you can start it, and then you can see the signs coming on the dashboard. You can see ABS and the lights coming on, and that's and the mention is here braking system. You can see you're gonna switch it off again, you switch it on again, it's saying you can see his lights will come back here. That's the problem. Braking system malfunctions and fault braking system, and so after some time they're saying ABS braking system fault, ABS. So if we trying to diagnose the car, you can see the ABS system fault, and here the ABS light is on and the other light is on. And when you're going to diagnose the car, though you can see here we're going in anti-locking brake. This system is not EPS 9, this is ABS 8.1. So we're going to diagnose it, and then you can see this is the permanent code coming. Just take time little bit while, because Peugeot, this launch goes to the Peugeot software and connect with the original dealer software, and then goes through. And that's the common problem, all the Peugeots and Citroens, and the ABS 8.1 Bosch ABS pump using on this car. So we're going to read the code. You can see the code C1381, recirculation pump supply, short circuit to positive or short circuit to earth or open circuit. That's the common code is coming on there. And this is not the ABS pump. That's the problem is in the boat. Motor is okay, and the problem is the power supplies of the ABS pump goes through the motor link to the ECU bolt on backside of the ABS. The problem is there. So if you have the problem of that type of the problem, you can contact us. We can solve your issue in 2 hours. We are in Hounslow, and we are near Heathrow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 167 Hounslow Motors Ltd, and you can bring your car and we can solve your issue. We need the car on this scenario, so you have to get the car, and then we can sort it out your problem. And this code is a permanent code. When I am going to try to delete the code, but you can't delete it because the code will come back, and still the ABS lights and the other lights is showing. And when I am going to try to read it, same code is showing here, you can see. So my name is Terry. My phone number is 07402536382. I repeat again, 07402536382. You can contact anytime. We can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my video.